Sergeant at Arms, you are responsible for the club property management, meeting room preparation, and hospitality. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Stephon Bonaby, Treasurer. As Treasurer, you are responsible for club financial policies, procedures, and controls. You will receive and disperse, with the approval of this club, all club funds, pay to Toastmasters International all financial obligations of this club as they come due, and keep an accurate account of all transactions. Will you perform your duties to the best of your abilities?
I will.
1 minute back. 1 minute back.
The money man?
The drummer.
What month?
Mr. Secretary, Lyndon Wallace. As Secretary, you are responsible for club records and correspondence. Will you perform your duties to the best of your abilities?
I will.
Raydon, Poitier, GTM. As Vice President of Public Relations, you are responsible for developing and directing a publicity program that informs individual members and the general public about Toastmasters International and of course. Will you perform your duties
I will.
to the best of your ability? You're not excited.
I will.
Okay. Edward Thurston,
Yes, sir.
Vice President of Membership. You are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing a program that ensures individual member retention, growth, and growth in club individual membership. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
Absolutely will.
Toastmaster Devaughn Taylor. As Vice President of Education, you are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing a club program which meets the educational needs of individual members. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Toastmaster Shacoy Mullings.
Come on with the blood.
Having been elected the president of this great Club 1600, you are its chief executive officer. You are expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of your executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It is also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district, and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. That symbol, the gavel that you are holding, is a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. It is a symbol of the power and the authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team as well as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and actions of all members, with the common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone is proud. Will you, as president, accept this challenge and perform your duties to the best of your ability?
I will. Yeah.
Toastmaster Anthony Longley, as immediate past president of Club 1600, will you offer the president's pin to Toastmaster Shacoy Mullings as a symbol of his dedication and service? And President Shacoy Mullings. President Shacoy Mullings, as president of this Club 1600, will you offer the past president's pin to Toastmaster Anthony Longley for Fellow Toastmasters and guests, I now invite the newly installed President Toastmaster Shacoy Mullings to address this great club.